Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis in Windows 11 in just a few seconds. Whether you are chatting, writing an email or creating content, emojis make everything more fun. So let's get started. Adding emojis in Windows 11 is super easy. Just follow these steps. First, click on any text field where you want to insert emojis. Now we are going to use keyboard shortcut, window key, and then press dot. So you will get this pop-up box. Boom. Now I'm going to show you how to choose and insert emojis. Now you will see a variety of emojis. You can scroll and find your favorite one like this. If you are looking something specific, then you can simply search here. Like here I'm going to type OK. Then you can see that these types of different varieties and emojis are showing over here. If you type smile, okay, so you will see the smile emojis is showing here. If I type anger, so you can see like this. Okay, so by this way you can easily search your emojis, and also you can add emojis and GIF. Right now I'm going to show you the varieties. Okay, so this is the smiley faces and animals is here. You can simply find out all the things, and here you will see the people. This is the people emojis like faces and all. You can simply use it, and also you can search here. And here you can see the celebrations and objects, like you can search over here. This is the food varieties. Here also you can see the food varieties emojis, and these are the cars and transportations and vehicles emojis are available. You can simply find out and use it. This is the heart and other emojis are showing over here. If you want to add GIF, okay, so you simply coming here, and here you can see the different GIF emojis is showing over here. Right now we are going to add some emojis over here. You simply press here, so you can see that these emojis will easily inserting over here. Okay, by this way you can find out any emojis which you want to add like this. Okay, by this way you can easily add emojis. Okay, if you want to add GIF, okay, you can simply click on it and this GIF will insert over here. That's it. Now you know how to add emojis easily in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel Hello Helper for more tech tips, and drop fire emojis in comment section. See you in the next video. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.